Count yɛda onyankopɔn asese ɔde ekɔ no asande aba be hyia biem anwumre so emese sɛ Awurade nyankopɔn asande aba hyia anwumre ya na yɛn komodie nu ɛfa title ho isan sɛ title akɔyɛ akyinidie kɛseɛ ɛda nipa bebree ntem nipa bebree enti ne twia no ase na hwan ɛna sɛ wɔtwia tight na hwan na twa sɛ ɔgye tight na denti ne twia tight na denti ne ɔgye tight we na ɛna mepɛsɛ esua ɛme sɛ yɛ ka tight no ɛyɛ 10% ɛde yɛ friend ɛyɛ ka ne sɛ tight enti no ansa na tight ankasa no onipa wobɛte aseɛ no agye sɛ wudi kan enim sɛnea tight no ɛhyɛ aseɛ enti sɛ ukɔ tight mu a Abraham ɛna di kan twia tight ɛde ma Melchizedek enti ansa na onipa wobɛte tight ase paa no agye sɛ wobɛhu who Abraham is and who Melchizedek is. So wunim nia Abraham ye na wunim nia Melchizedek ya ansa na afi wo behya se at tight na ase enti yehwe Melchizedek ni ohia otena asase so a na on share power with anyone. That is Melchizedek. Melchizedek is the only king and not just asase so no on share power with anyone. Enti Melchizedek no ano oyohin. And Melchizedek at the same time no oyo osofo. Remember say osofo and yohin bia no they share power. Into even Egypt na Potipharia share power with Pharaoh. But on here on no trance no ankasa yo osofo no ankasa san yohin at the same time. Melchizedek. So Melchizedek is a man who was not sharing his glory with anyone. That is Melchizedek. But Melchizedek no ofri Cana emu inti Cana ne di Cana se ne di kan kwache kire Jerusalem na onyankopon Noah mremu no Noah eka kire Sham say Sham Cana eba be wakoa. So the promise no na it was with Sham inti Sham mu na Abraham no so eba ye na Melchizedek no so free Cana mu me pesa wo tight ase yie pa inti Melchizedek no ebeye a very great man and no one share power with anyone and never to dream a person the only person who was not sharing glory with anyone. In the Bible kwabemo as say that Melchizedek was not having mother uni mame uni papa uni ebusuya, so he was not sharing glory with anyone. My dear sister, my dear brother, na Abraham yakasa tight ya 10 no yedigina anuonyam 10 10 no yedigina anuonyam enti tight bia no anuonyam gina ana enhira agina de tight bia na yedigina enhira ana anuonyam enti Melchizedek Abraham ekontokwa no oba no oni ahemfo 13 bia kire se 1 enti obo watch na wo watch no ebo 13 a 13 means 1 o'clock. That means 1. Into a call to Kana Obano. And now Melchizedek at the ensa and your Diane, Ebishia Abraham. And now Abraham and so chia tight or the tight no a mano. 10 inches what the Jan and Yam. Because Abraham was greater than Melchizedek. Abraham so no free iron for Busium, and then Yankupon a friend frying for Busianum, and then Yankupon is Shirano. Ansana oko enti Abraham paid the tithes utwia tithe ne ma Melchizedek edi gina no because enhiramu remember say Bible mbeka kire say omamu won hira chiwode enti Melchizedek no nkontokwa enuti na friend say the prince of peace or the righteous one enti Melchizedek no onko no usunity enti ni ti and odi meki beye ahini mu hine kese enti Abraham etua tight ne de man no edigina Melchizedek na ni onyam tie niye enti tambia ne awo na wo ye kese no wo na wutua tight man wo ye ketwa ni okura nhira no etua tight e de man wo ye ketwa yanko ne tosu mienu afemi ye ya na makan ya kowe mu kakra na afini what ama watimi ate aseɛ enti ne ɔno yɛ kɛseɛ no etwia tight ne Nyankopɔn de enhyira no asi ne so no de anuonyam no asi ne so no ɔno no betwia tight no de ama nea n'anuonyam no isua no de agina na aperiye enti the second person a ɔno nso etwia tight enti hwɛ tight no wɔn bia ntwia ma Nyankopɔn o enti Abraham twia ma Melchizedek because na Melchizedek no ɔte sɛ ogyinamu te sɛ Nyankopɔn sɔfoɔ ɛna Jacob enso ɛkɔ no ɔhyɛ Nyankopɔn bɔ sɛ so Nyankopɔn sɛ wode me kɔ na sɛ wode me ba anuonyam a wo Nyankopɔn wode bɛhyɛ me no anuonyam a wo Nyankopɔn wode bɛhyɛ me no metua ntutusuo dudu ɛde ama wo metua tight ama wo enti yɛkɔ sɛ Jacob nso hwan na otua tight ɛde ma no enti Jacob ɛna ne carry the blessing enti yɛhwɛ ne Jacob nso kotua tight ɛde ma no enti pra Jacob every turn no because na Esau enya na obekunu because of his blessing enti na all return no ɛna Jacob enso kokotua tight ɛde ma ne nua Esau because now the blessing has make Jacob greater than Esau enti Jacob nso tua tight ɛde ma Esau enti Bible no yɛbɛkɔ Bible ntu bɛte ase Bible no bɛmo ate ase sɛ ne Nyankopɔn de ma edi hyira Jacob no oyimu bi ɛna ɔde ma ne nua Esau enti yɛkɔhwɛ Abraham deɛ no enti utua ne ɔno gye tight no ne okura the promise ne ɔno kura the blessing no ɔno ne tua tight ne de ma nea oni nhyira tie ne ye ne ɔno won hyira no etua tight ma onipa a oni nhyira enti sɛ wo gye tight na it means you are not part of the blessing ono onye part of the blessing enti for you not to struggle with the person who has been given the blessing the person pay you the tithe to cease your struggle enti yɛbɛkɔ Bible mu yɛkɔhwɛ Abraham ɛne Melchizedek sɛnea wobɛte aseɛ yɛkɔhwɛ Abraham ɛne Melchizedek Genesis 14 verse 19 yɛkɔnkɔhwɛ obia yɛkasa tight a wan ne twa sɛ otwia tight no ɛyɛ ne ɔyɛ kɛseɛ no ana no ɛketoa no ɛna sɛ otwia tight no ne ɔwɔ ne onyam ɛna de ma ne onie ne onyam tie ne ye enti Awurade bɔhyɛ ne na wɔ Abraham mu Abraham ne nana Sham was blessed Melchizedek ne nana Cana was cursed so Abraham paid tithes to cease the struggle of Melchizedek senya oni ne ma me pray anuonyam dache enti onipa a odi kan na oye osofo na ono asan ye ohene first a oni obi an share power na ye Melchizedek enu ti Bible Kristo mu no a oni obi an so nche anuonyam no okasa mu ya sofo eni ahemfo enti yenkohwe de odi kan twa tight Genesis 14 verse 19 so come on there Genesis 14 verse 19 and when Abraham etwa tight edema Melchizedek when Abraham etwa tight edema Melchizedek
okay Genesis 14 verse 19 and he blessed him and said, blessed be Abraham of the Most High, God, Most High God, possessor of heaven and earth.
Yeah. Verse 20.
And blessed be the Most High God, which hath delivered thine enemies unto thy hands. And he gave him tithes of all.
Thank you. And the Bible say Melchizedek eshira Abraham no ena Abraham so tua tithes edema no ade a me pese udi kan na wote ase ne say Melchizedek no na ono pe ena ewiase ono aye ohene ena oye osofo sani abetiase opetu man wasan atiase e wo Revelation the reason why ntia Bible ka say onipa ba ko yo sofo wasan yo hene e Melchizedek. So Melchizedek was a priest, and at the same time Melchizedek was the king of Jerusalem. But remember Samra Abraham epie free ni pnaja efie nu onyankopon ehira no ene onyankopon ka che ne se Abraham we wumu ena me de be hira wiase abusua nyinara. It wasn't Melchizedek, it was within you. So Melchizedek, Abraham was greater than Melchizedek in the eyes of God. E onyankopon anim isa se ni mu na onyankopon na be hira wiase abusua nyinara. So the Abraham no nyankopon nhira ene na ni onyam ye kese e wo ne so no etwia tight because ni mu na abortion wo etu onu na abortion wo ni mu no onu ni twia tight e de man abortion eni ni mu tie ni ye ni abortion wo ni mu no onu twia tight e de man abortion eni ni mu yan konkohwe Jacob anso eni ni nua Esau. Jacob ekono o hye nyankopon bo so onyankopon sa wo de me ko na so wo de me ko duwa na sa wo san de me ba wo mani onyamu a metwia ntutusuo dudu mafade na a wo de mame no mema wo mu edu mema wudu enti yankowe se Esau eduna Jacob koye na ono so ba no odina fade na nyankopon ma no o man wan otwia tight in the man. Genesis 33 verse 10. Because you say Esau nipa bebre you say Jacob e she nyankopon bo so betwia tight e de ama no de ne kono de ne ba obema nchichemudu enti yankowe se hwan e na Jacob twia tight ne man ni nua a onu bu no Jacob no bu no se oyi hira e chen no na ni nua ne be pre hira no e na otwia tight di china ni nua no na bufu a wo de ba ne so.
Genesis verse 33 verse 10. And Jacob says, and Jacob said, now I pray thee, if now I found grace in thy sight.
Or see, if now I find grace in thy sight,
if I found grace in my sight, then receive my presence at my hand.
And you're not Jimin somewhat dear. For
therefore I have seen thy face, as thou I had seen the face of God.
Enti waku o ka kire ne se nyankopon sa wo de me ko na de me ba metwia tutusuo dudu e de ama ho enti o ka kire ne nua Esau se semahu wanim no ete semahu nyankopon anim enti Jacob twia tutusuo dudu ni ma ono ani nua Esau ene kire ne nua Esau ne se me wo enhira mani onyamu e kese e de chen tinie enti se wo no wo twia tight de ama osofo a that doesn't mean that osofo no is greater than you. The one who is paying the tithe ne wo twia no e kese chen ne a oje no enti ye besen akọ ne akọhwe biem Jacob nso ne ma no nipa tight na nipa miensa eye Abraham Jacob and Jacob no nso ne ma enti ye nkọhwe Jacob neba wan shira no eye neba Levi because Levi nu atwendade e wo bra wa mo ne papa mane e na oni kokum Sajem enam ni nua ba dan na o so obi ni na akoda e wo bra won twa atwetia wa fa no e wo bra won wale no ne papa enko emra no na we na kotwedade e de akwa kokum onipa no e wo bra ne papa enim wo hwe enti Jacob ne papa no wenhira no ka we say the first 3 people no di Jacob ani e bansa na Judah no wenhira won enti Ruby akofa ne papa Jacob na yire enti Ruby so no o ka che so be te say ensuo wanhya da enhira no ana Sidion ani ni nua Levi omo so esa so mo kotwe dade enti nu Jacob wanhya da enhira won onipa Jacob edi kan nhira no esi ni so eye Judah enti wo kwa wo man na kura the greatest possession of the blessing eye Judah and Joseph Enukurantina in Mkodu Mizrim no Judah and Joseph. They came together. Tieniye. Enti Levi na ono yen shirano no ni shirano. Na wana ye in shirama no etwi a tight no edema no. They were showing to him. So no ni bi into amani o mama pray enunyam. Enti ye the tight ejina enshiragie enunyamgie. Enti ye hwe no so. Ebi obi ti won onim se live no obeye osofo no ye nhira no. Ne papa nhira no. Enti Genesis 49. Genesis 49 5 and 6 ni yehwe. Live ye nhira no. Enti onu na onye nhira ba no, onu ne ekotwi a tight ne ma no. O mani bi sania adwembone emani trim no ne enhira ba no amepre no amesai no. Tieniye. So when you are giving tithe to anyone, you that you are giving the tithe to the person, you are greater than the person that you are giving the tithe to him, because there is promise in you. My brother Mbacho be ayanko.
Genesis 49 verse 5, also 5 to 6, right?
Yes.
So Simeon and Levi
are
brethren.
Yeah.
Instruments of cruelty.
Wow. Osimodi etrimodi tieniyo enutra by nature no. The moment you follow living line na ube se etrimodi wo mu. Enti truly ko cheke. Ebesi ne asasi su kra no from se osofo. Anase we ya hwe obi aye obubu ani. Utimi gi ni sika. Obi ye onifraye ni. The person rather need help. The person condition no need help. Look at the kind of cars at the end of the person will drive. Na obi ba panin chain na because what that doing wow sometimes won't just here. It's in the Bible. Living no obedi so for no. Ne papa anka sa catch and say wo de wontama demu na etrimoden ete. Enti wo de say me boa so na fia me no ka say fu ani to fam. Aka obi last 10 cedis. Odi kwa koto aduane adi. The last 10 cedis. Obeko na so frankasa the range of them. Ni shuwa ehye no etesa hwehwe. 10 cedis nu wase age aka ho. Na nipa ne kono one ne ma akotena se no mo anidi. Bible no say o fa nipa bi asu a ana wo ko nipa bi asu mu a say wo study nipa no na shase the source of that person. Tieniye. Enti ne papa live ni papa wan hira no. Wo se wo de wu na everyday trimoden etie. Aya no abisa ho Christianity. Enu nti na oba Christianity mu a eba tight na se ye pa. Enu nti na oba Christianity mu a ye a Christofo ka hu se ye ni sofo. Ye ni hene. Wo betuna yo sempakani. Wo betuna yo churchfo. You can be a pastor, you can be a teacher, you can be a apostle, but you can be a prophet, but you cannot be a priest. We are praised in heaven. Was why ye nyina ahemfo ene asofo. Enti ye ntie Levi no. Ebi obi nim say the foundation of Levi who became the priest no. Obi nim sanya na ono tie onim say bia ye hira no. No, ye hira no. Ne papa catch us because I want wakuma wontama demu etrimoden etienti we hira no. Mira to asukakra mame.
So verse 6 I'll say, O my soul, come not thou into their secret, unto their assembly, My honor, I'll say, my honor, be not thy united, for in their anger they slew a man.
Thank you.
And in their self-will they dig down a wall.
Thank you. So sometimes when you see everything that we are doing under the sun, my dear brother, don't be surprised. You search it. If you try to read the source, you try to understand it. When you try to read the source. Enti livinu ne papa tiense ma ne papa kafa ne ho. enti ono no wanhyira no ne papa kyerɛ so ono no de ɛna matirimɔdene ɛne ono ayɛ ne koma so ne ɔpɛ ne ono akasa ɔpɛ no ɛna ɔso ɔyɛ ne kɔyɛ ne koma so adeɛ na nabufuo anso no ɔde kum nipa ɔso de nabufuo ba okum ka hu sɛ ne papa Jacob moja anka ne nsa da biara da all his life. He was a mighty man, but he never drew a sword and he never drew a gun. But my dear sister, even say nyankopon asem no so oboa opa yenko check it. One way take the root of the Levites, no man take the order of Judah. Into ukoko check here. Obi Yesu kura ne ka kyeri pasa bompa ye ma watamfo shira watamfo nipa mpewie ne Yesu se pomie Yesu san ka kyeri Petro se fase kan ni hyem na ne otwese kan ne be wo second ano na afi ko check nipa lead according to the Levites order ko check otwe dade awurade ye twetwe yatamfo awurade ye bo yatamfo tuo enye wo aye the order of the priesthood. Enunti ena wokɔbɔ emu a Yesu yɛmfa ne tutum ayi yɛde ne tutum Melchizedek because mra ahemfo nyina kɔntɔkwan Melchizedek wanko bi. Melchizedek was using his head to rule. Wanfa entɔkwa. Wɔde adɔyɛ, wɔde ayemye, wɔde mobrohum ena na ewu. Enuti na oni seso. Enti wɔn sabra Abraham oba no. Na Sodom hin so ka ho ba Sodom hin ni momu a Abraham kokoma no wantimi amfa hwiankohia no ba Melchizedek etimi hu se memfa ensa ane abodu enkohia Abraham ane ne nkoa no. He always think about how to live for people. Ka hu Abraham Sodom enam Lot nti okokoma wom ba Sodom hin ane Abraham ane Melchizedek na nam ba wokon wamfa hwienkura ne nsa. Ba Melchizedek ekono okura bodu ena osanso kura ensa ena ode kokoma ena no so twa tight e de man esanso onu se ode abodo nu ena ensa no e mana because onu yetire ena Abraham so kire ne se ono so ye bohyeba nti onu so twa tight enti am person numrei what you ase ne say the one who is paying the tithe is greater than the one who is taking the tithe before God, because it's the blessed one who gave. Chenye, enti Abraham Moses answer echiche inheritance no. Moses echiche inheritance no. Can we say onipa wenya inheritance ni bi eye Levi. Enti Bible say enam say Levi any assassine twapade ni bi nti wenya bi. Levi no wanya part of Jacobia blessing. And the same living so no one singer menya assassin dwapade ni bi enti asɛm a ɔka kyerɛm sɛ enam sɛ wanya assassin mu anuonyam ni bi nti no mo nso mo fa entutusuo dudu ma no sɛ awurade hyira mo asase no na sɛ mu didi a mo nkae no na mo ma ni bi. My dear brother, my dear sister, enti tie ni ye enu nti na sɛ wu tua tight ya this is the reason why so many people have been disappointed. Media what the obetua o e what the wuntua o e what is up to you. But na me person what you ase ne say wu tua tight ne de ama osofo na when na wu tua tight no you are greater than the pastor na wu tua ma no. You are greater than osofo na wu tua ma no. Because who na wo dem ma etu na wo yetiri enunti na wo kan Malachi 3 na was I will open the windows one cut the doors into read the Bible na Bible nyaka say windows so windows means the head window be actually the head enunti na Bible you do to prison a uni him Bible can say do to prison a uni him it says you have allowed your window to be above you. Your window shouldn't be above you because the window is there for the head. Into the moment in the Bible you do to prison uni and nothing at John the Baptist you chain it to mono they will not person Jesus so but Jesus will see achi John of course or no so you bet no and at the moment you do to mono I will prison penno you differ head In the Bible catch and say nia yedene to afiase na yeyi nunu na hinie ebe yo hia. Bible said the moment Ecclesiastes or sisi yedu koto afiase na yeyi na befa ahinie a wase no ebe ye ohia. The kingdom you build no, you build a poor kingdom. Enutra Yesu Kajon no very powerful but one call. So my dear sister, my dear brother, ni ame pesa wote ase ne se we na wu twia no we ye kese e chenia ogie no. Because if you grant Bible catch us o mamu wo nhira chen ogie ni ya ba be tight no ya ba be se na Awurade kire se tight na nkasa no nipa no yeni. And you look at the people that you were supposed to give them the tithe. He said the stranger, the widow because she is poor, the fatherless because she is poor, and the Levy because he has no inheritance. So the person that you are paying the tithe to, oh, you're greater than him. Into one would your tithe, no, one a bush woman, into every Moses, any Aaron. Nyankopon frame Moses any Aaron, but remember say Moses any Aaron and to me and fa omo nkwankura Canaan. It was Caleb and Joshua. Caleb from Judah, Joshua from Joseph. Because these two people hold the great blessing of Israel. A son said nya onoje tithe no oni boshe. Tieniye. Nya boshe no onu kra boshe no and ono de tithe no ema. Into Abraham and the Ukraine Yankopon Boshe. Melchizedek was acting to the world that he is the greatest one. So he is the man pa na on share power with anyone. Babia no etrebia ne share power into ohinkura no so for nsukura. But Melchizedek is the first person otimi ye ohin ene osofo. Although no ni nyina dunyam o nanso no ni Boshe, but the promise was in Abraham. So God said, Abraham, you and I'm the cover eviase no. I'm the asheni onyam. Wanka Melchizedek. So Abraham know that he is greater than Melchizedek. So Abraham give the tithe to Melchizedek because you know that he's greater than the Melchizedek because he possessed the promise and not Melchizedek. Then when you come to Judah, Jacob and Esau, Jacob hold the promise. It sounds when you say the moon and Yankopon a bosha and what Isaac munu a bedadie. Into Jacob mumutia the tithes Edema Esau. Tieniye because you saw on the moon a promise no a what? Or you say the moon and a promise no what? So he paid the tithe to his brother Esau. It's not Esau who paid the tithe to Jacob. The pacho tieniye pa. And Judah and Joseph, who were highly blessed by their father, paid the tithe to Levi, who was not blessed by their father. But what you need? Enti sa wo tria tithe the amobia. Niesese wuli say what na wo tria tithe wo ye bosheba. You are greater than the person you are paying the tithe to. You are greater than that person. And God said, I will open the windows of heaven. Window beer means the head. So if God tell you, I will open the windows, it means that I will make you the head. Into a nipa no will be windows. In the time of Eli, Samuel. So Samuel become the head. Eli, because window beer means the head. So if God tells you that if you pay that, if you give that tithe, and he na restore ne dinum with food, then he will open the windows of heaven. That means he will make you the head above everyone. So you ask yourself, why is it that you can't pay the tithe, and someone will still be looking down at you? And you can see the world being better than you. Remember on that very day, Sodom, the king of Sodom, says to Abraham that take nya ukokunji yeni nina no. O de fire ni parma and take it. As Abraham can. Or see, he has been already blessed by God. He has been told Sodom say he have already been blessed by God. So any person who is paying the tithe is already been blessed by God. You already been blessed by God. It's not that man who is going to bless you. God have already blessed you. So Abraham was blessed before coming. By your Christianity. You are supposed to pay tithe or you are not supposed to pay tithe. One thing you need to know, that Christianity was not taken from Levites. Christianity was taken from Judah and Joseph. Mary and Joseph. And Mary from the Joseph family. And Joseph from Judah. No Levites. And a blessing shirano on your tithe. That is what you need to know. The one who have been blessed don't take tithe, because we use the tithe to do edika nya oni shirano yedi kan animu hye. Enti se Kristo and free Jude and free living mu dia onipa kai say Hebrew 7 penny baby a New Testament or ka tithe ho asem no se ye Kristo no gwa yina free live abusuam ye yini free Juda abusuam na Kristo no ebia wonim. Kristo ba se obi nche enuonyam enunti ena ofane se David ba se David pa no otimi share asofotade no san share ahintade. Enti David krona, he was a priest and at the same time a king. David pa no di asofo aduane na o san di ahimfo aduane. So David acted like Melchizedek. David acted like Melchizedek. So my dear sister, my dear brother, so when you Kristo ni dia, Kristo akachira will say, maye munyina ahemfo eni asofo. You are blessed, and blessing don't take, blessing give. Blessing always think about how to give. Blessing don't dream of how to take. It always think about how to give, how to help, how to help. So Christianity and into the New Testament, from Matthew to Revelation, don't talk about tithe. Only Hebrew 7. And the Hebrew 7 showed to us that our Lord Jesus Christ was not taken from the tribe of the Levites. He was taken from the tribe of the Judah, which means was taken from the blessed family. Abusuana ye enshirano. Inti enshirano and 9. So nyankopon shirawa onyo danfo. Onyankopon shirawa o 9. You are blessed. You are blessed. You always think about how to help, how to help, how to help, how to help. Because that is the only way there can be peace. Inti yanko checking so. Mose ekachire Israel for se baby nyankopon be yi amamo no se ni din trano. Eho e na monfa tithe no enko. Inti yanko hwe. So Kristo ni utimi twa tithe me ye dia yanko hwe. Moses said, baby, nyankopon be yi send din trano eho na monfa enko. Enti baby nyankopon di kan yiye send din trano eye Shilo. Pastor bia ni uni munya Bible mu a wonim. Enti Shilo eno nyankopon edi kan yiye send din tra eno mu si ntamadan no eho. Enti eho na no di kan tithe no ekoye. Ena nyankopon esanam na kuwa David so ebe chichire Jerusalem through Solomon into obesi asori dan no ewo Jerusalem. It na say omsande akrade no because baabia asori dan ne wo no eho ne din ni wo. Baabia din ni wo no eho no nyankopon tie. Enu nti na Matthew 13 no o ka kire wo say na onyankopon ni ete say oba bi ofa akuruwa miensa edi hihye isam kosi sani miensa nyina ye pa no enu nie Shilo 1 ana enu ye emansa no nwendie enti ka hu se entamadan no be ma bia ensa no enka ho eye oba ena nwe entamadan no oba na enwe entama ena omgide ye entamadan ma nyankopon. So that is the glory of the woman. Enu nyankopon nam Solomon so esi abodan ka hu se yabo enu so oba bia amfana ho ode anka ho eye mema nko na kwatasen abo no ena omde be build ye to glorify God. And afe Yesu Kristo nso ba yesafe nyankopon watena emani onyamu ewo Shilo entamadan mu ena watena emema ani onyamu abodan mu ewo Jerusalem. Afe nyankopon peso otena wo no akase na ni onyamu nti onam ne doba Yesu Kristo so edi ni nipadua ɛbɛyɛ asɔre danse ne din ɛntena mu say no unim say it's not about Shiloh the mountain, it's not about Jerusalem, it's about your body. Now your body is the temple of God, and God dwells in you, and the place that I've been choosing is the place that the tithe must be eat. So now your body have been chosen as a temple for God, so the tithe must be eaten in the body. You have to enjoy it. And they say, "No, say, who me ready bibia? Who says here ready fear? Who them say ready fear any wunuya? Ready fear any wunuya? Baby, as they say ready te any wunuya. Baby, as they say ready te any wunuya. Enti they say ready fear no uteno any wunuya ni pedua. So when you see that your brother is going through too much challenges, you know it's affecting the temple of God. Because the body is the temple of God, and that is the place that God wants to dwell now. My dear sister, my dear brother, into the young child, Acts 17 verse 24. Acts 17 verse 24. Sanya yebehu say nyankopon ye nipadua mu na ote. Na ba bia radie choose say ni din tena no. Bible say ehwo na yemfa tithe no enko. Intimidin Shiloh, near the Shiloh on the mountain. And you didn't ba Jerusalem. You didn't ba Jerusalem. And you did Jerusalem. And then Yesu adini dinu apetra wudi peduemu. And they say, baby, a trust unipa edie. Eye unipa no unipeduemu. Your body. Nasiye na tie nyankopon. And ye di wonipeduenu mu a. And na hu se mididi ama me ho atome. Obeye bia adwenbone. If you believe yourself that the Spirit of God dwells in you, obey the akasafi. Obey the do nipadua koye niema entwa se woye. But remember, because at that time no, Nyankopon ka so mun free Shiloh, emra Jerusalem no. On the other four, only 1.5 per anything we call Jerusalem. The remaining in no, it remain was Shiloh. Me pacho. Other four, minim say tight as some there. Oh, can you say ya? But say obe king kind. Na wesuya obeti ase. Say no no ye kese na boshe woni mu no. Ono na otuama ne a oni boshe. Ono otuama ne oni boshe. Entinu yenhwe Deuteronomy na fe yehu nipa etwa se omdi title no. Ti my brother Boam Kitu e bi na fe de. Yenhwe Deuteronomy ne yenhwe nipa etwa se omdi title no. Bible say one kasa tie o waga fa komo obi o say the first person to enjoy the tithe is you. Then you remember the widows, the fatherless, the stranger, the needy. Then don't forget the Levite, because he has no heritage. Deuteronomy 14 verse 27. Because osi oni ejapade. Na se mi gina we na Nyankopon apa mi. Na mi be gina say mi I don't have a heritage. It's a lie. Because I know say me free her. And my forefathers have land. But remember, the Levites has no yamom ejapade. They were not having anything.
Deuteronomy chapter 14 verse 27. And the Levites that is within thy gates, thou shalt, that's mean kind of
26 na
26. Okay.
14,
Deuteronomy 14:26. And thou shalt bestow that money for whatsoever thy soul lasted after.
Tieni o tithe ne can o say tithe no fasika ne todi a wo ankasa wo kra e kondo. Me ba chiro hwe wonim say tithe ne kan nipa kra no de yemfa se e be koso se e be tie ne awrade se ye be wo nantwie 100 uyi nantwie mu 10 e de akwakoye tithe, because 100 no ni 10% no e 10. Etu uyi nantwie mu 10 a wo kwa one do betima we nantwie 10. enti wo se ko bia wo krom obia obi obenya duane adia me biaka wo aburo bottle 100 wo yi aburo no bottle 10 am ye dia no aduane think about the number it can serve them because na ready person da bia ko bia didi na no to no obia ko bia obia de wo kire wana ko akuru aso da no adidi na ka ho atɔ na ka ko akuru obia de na za ba mu na afi da ready so obia ni na de nipadua na sɔre dan mi ra ko so kan ma me to so wan kasa to na dini awokra a condo to na dini awan kasa awokra a condo. So the first person to enjoy the tithe is you.
Okay, so for oxygen, or for sheep, or for wine, or for strong drink, or for whatsoever thy soul desireth, and thou shalt eat there.
And thou shalt eat there. Also, wo one kasobi, and thou shalt eat there.
Before the Lord thy God.
Before the Lord thy God.
And thou shalt rejoice, thou and thy household.
Nama woni wo fie ni nara eninje. Tithe na me kan no. Enti tithe no de kwa the first year no woni wo fie. Na momadi. Na Bible say mama mo kra ani age. Mama mo kra enu mama mo kra ani age. Wan kase obi. Verse 27 here.
And the Levites that is within thy gates.
And you say the Levites are within thy gate. Because they are in need. They are in need. Also for no top one, just what down or top one because he is not blessed. Because mommy,
thou shalt not forsake him.
Don't forsake him. Don't forsake the Levite. The Levite means the priest. Or see they are at that gate. Obi catch or say or that gate anoa. Just say no or you poor. Until Lazarus no do scan gate ano. Gate na no just say or you poor. Into the dear money be.
For he has no part nor inheritance with thee.
Because he has no part or inheritance with thee. Tiye. Enti no no ya kase no. It is a also who the title more or now who also for say or you don't know what you are talking about. Wo na wo the man no wo ye kase e no. Even when he is telling you God bless you, you can tell him it's okay. Because you are already blessed. That is why you are giving to him. You are already blessed. Because if you are not blessed, you can't give. You are giving because you have been blessed. My dear. Now but to ask a camera me yen ekunafo any ewisia
men 28 now. And at the end at the end of 3 years
tienie enti we ye hayenye ba abrofo ni biye o say at the end of every 3 years no o tight no eye wodie nu o say beyini nyina fagu wo achi na men krofo emra metase.
So at the end of 3 years, thou shalt bring forth all the tithes of thine, or say of thine increase the same year, and shall lay it up within the gates.
Tieniye, etike every 3 years biano. Wo ba be yi wo tithe no, wo niam awrade di hira wo no. Wo di ba be gu gate ano. Na won na eni bi eye hiafo ekunafo enwisia enyanka mobroafo livifo no mu nyina ba betase bi no mso di akwakoyo mu yi tieniye. That is the tithe. Because when you are blessed, so all the time you have to give. All the time you have to give. You are blessed. Into every 3 years, or see you be good gate ano. No biya metase bi. My dear sister, my dear brother, me dia Bible can na me ka kire wo ni a Bible kan ba bia ekoso sanye e copy bank dey what dey minim, and I will not follow that because that is not my business. If I follow that, it will not going to benefit me. What benefit me is what the Lord have said.
I mean what 29 is so
29.
And I say the Levites because he had no part nor inheritance with thee into bracket and the stranger and the fatherless and the widow which are within thy gates shall come and shall eat and be satisfied.
Thank you.
That the Lord thy God may bless thee in all work of thy hands, which thou doest.
Thank you, my brother. God bless you. On the other four, what kind of attack you got to baby? What now was said? Say now, Kupombe Shrawa. Tight no ma okunafo ni bi. Ewisia ni bi. Mobrowa ni bi. Oho ni bi. Nama osofo ni Levite ni nsumani ni bi. Esanse woni adwapade. Na woni God asofo wa de adwapade. You see? Ona na wasase. Me pa chaw. Me de intimate pesrew. Mebusa me say ebia papa me say we are there are questions you can ask me. But near maybe one more, I will not trace it because it do not benefit me. I only trace the word of God. That is my benefit. Yanko po asem ni be benefit. Enti near ya tight no because dani ni ska. E de kokoto bank e wo emfa me ho. And I don't follow that. What I follow is what the Lord God have said. Because on the very day God is going to judge me according to his word. Enti tight you. Bible say one kasa tight ni di. One kasa tight no Bible say di. Na udi nso amakunafo ewisia mobrowa ni bi. Onyankopon says if we are able to share the blessing with these people, then he God also is going to bless you. Now on sanu adwuma bia wo de on sabeka no, ayen shira. My dear sister, my dear brother, enti we steady tight here. Tight bia ni otwia no, eye ni onyamfo e che ne oje no. Ni aboshe ni woni mu. Ni awurade ahira no, ono na ode ma ni awurade wanya nhira ni bi. Enti Abraham at the tight man Melchizedek, because Melchizedek was looking great, but he has no promise. Abraham hold the promise. Esau ebeshia ni nua Jacob no na Esau kura emrantia maku 400. He was able to organize 400 men just for war, just for fight. He couldn't use them to produce. He prepared them for fight. 400 men just for fight. And Jacob na ne mano kura Benjamin no eketwa, but he came with abundance of food, abundance of goods. It says Jacob did not prepare for fight. He prepared for glory and unyam aduane anomde. Inti Jacob ni nua so no meant 400 no. Jacob momu a okura emamu wa 12 peno okoma Esau no aduane, because he prepared for fight. Ebini ni ye Ghana ya ne da bia ye prepare ye ho for near fight. See akwa hia ne betumi ayusu ya adwen for investment. Ye betumi ayusu ya adwen no afeni ye prepare for fight. Obi te Atria Mountains e prepare how near before kwa kobotu. How can you? So you see, Enutina Jacob at the command Esau. Judah and Joseph, who were highly blessed, also feed Levi. So my dear sister, my dear brother, and this is what I want you to understand. One person who said you give to the greats. The people who think they are great, you rather give to them. And nothing adiachia abang akola correct me kwa kananim adentia simple because akola no twen say oni bikura no aban light or them onu tua akola no twen say ebia oni bikura no oye ni dream say oni bikura no aban patru on otoma no na aban to ni patru na aban kasa tua ne light na aban kasa tua ne water na aban tua ne bibia obeye den no akoka ban anim obeye akanim. But adiachia sabai ne begina ha na adiachi okura ne drink no no museya aka problem abeyanya na Ghana sika na ade to fantanum na ade to kokunum na Ghana. You see, these are some of the examples. So you seem to be great, but because the people think they are taking care of him, they can say anything that they like to him. So my dear sister, me pa fa hye wo mu se wo de ma wo ye nhira deda So what the man we inshira that you have already been blessed by God, and you don't need someone to bless you. All that you have to think about is how to give all the time, so that God will keep on blessing you and blessing you and blessing you. Mesre wo Nyankopon dim. Enti tight ne de, say wo betwia o, say wo ntwia o, nobody can force you. And it's up to you. Say Yesu amu ate ase, se ma yemu nyina ahemfo, ma yemu nyina asofo. Enti sabiachi na Awurade aye wo he, no aye wo sofo, na so de obekọ, wakodan obakodan obi a, it's up to you. But Christianity, Christianity, we don't take tithe, because at the end of the day, we were not called out of the Levites, we were called out of Judah. We were called out of Judah. Into who are saying, Bia for Peso Bisa, Ubetum the Abba, Nafide, Wabusame, Nafide, and so Mebuau, into no. In Shira, any tithe, in Shira, and a demand.
You better Mystic Coke, as I say, Debiano, all the teachings we bring live on SVTV Africa, your entertainment redefined. He said, oh, share on Facebook, oh, share on YouTube, SVTV Africa. More like a page, you know, na Debiano Mystic Coke bar, say Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 6 to 7. 6 to 7. Some comments kakraba, say me to me kind bima Mystic Coke comments kakraba, na say me kind. Priscilla Squab says, givers are always rulers. Also, they don't know. Now, Osai Poku says, live from Qatar. Okay, one question biamba. John Protein says, yes, givers never lack, but not the church. Not the church. Service to mankind is service to God. Also, the other banner, John Protein. Okay, Maminko, Ghana Hajia says, God bless you for teachings. Please, was Jesus Christ a mystic man? I don't know. Question with me now.
Yeah. Jesus Christ was a mystic man. He's a mystic man. Yeah, because Christianity is mystics. Christianity is now. Mamen chere 10 numu kakra. Where mamen chere the number 10 no yedigina enyonyam. Edi Daniel enyonyam. Ti mamen chere obi physical. Enti oba Ghana say ya nature any bibia bia Bible can mami chobi. Enti oba Ghana can we say 1939 and Ghana enya the first earthquake. Ni 10 years 1949 and Kwame Nkrumah the CPP the bachelor we say check biem Ghana the first eclipse 1947. Ni 10 years 1957. And the digital Nyam, a Daniel Nyam. Sanche Kibim 2006. Ghana Colonel John. In 2006, and Ghana is a second eclipse. Ni 10 years, a 2016. And a Edin John, a free so, and a local name with the English name, but also. Because 10 beyond so you can say 10 each say me jina wani onyam e de ada enti kan we say UK October no eye black history. UK October a black history e bia de enti aka say black history no nti ase a kan we say October ne enter na Ghana and UK you see the same hour. In some range no UK lead Ghana 1 hour. Obe use 1 hour. Yenya enter to October na 10 na. After UK being the head and Ghana being the down. After they will use the same hour. Into your friends say black October. Their friends say black history. UK black history because 10 biya no. Timpesa hotel number 10 no. Ti eka say 10 ya 10 biya ni digina enyam. Into your catch was mama what edua. Eduni chile say media gina wani unyam. Okay.
Arlino or say Hebrews chapter 7 verse 1 to 12. And they were into inclining now. Ghana Haja says Ghana Haja says please should we believe in honor? So what answer to that? Arlino says what he is saying is in the Bible below. Okay. Watch on the tin we paste what I say. TD Jakes Vaspa. I'll say Mystic Coke. Okay. I'll say Mystic Coke. Merinda comment me Merinda Hobbs say man okay Haja the same question na Mami Alinsi Ladi or say you give what you have or say you give what you have. I don't know what he's trying to say. Okay, so Philip, I think say good evening, Daddy Cook. Okay, welcome, Philip. Into Munsha of so Isaac Tress says Mystic Cook, Zivo. Kwame says nice talk, bro. On him, Ketre Esther Dubik or say Felix Botivo, Batovi. I really like this man. Adwa Papa says God bless you, Papa. Zivo Kwame says CSF will change Ghana for better again. So it's a common sense, no person. I'll say okay. Joe Camps says, wow, thank you so much. We say Philip say, God bless you. Frederick Mensah. Okay, so Zivo Kwame says Jesus is not real. Fake Jesus and some pastors. Meaning the okay. So say Jesus is not. Say I think say I feel beauty and I say yeah some teachers before. I think Kwame say Jesus adi waka bad Jesus waka we na. Okay, so Philip is saying that we need more teaching from Daddy. Thank you too. Okay, so Zivo Kwame says Jeremiah 23 verse 11. Meaning the opposite church, but my main man say Jeremiah 23 verse 11. Meaning the opposite church. Jeremiah 23. But cook me try to make kanya man na ya hwe ne verse 11. Yenim the opposite church no. So opposite church say we are Jesus in ho. Maybe as an opposite church verse 11. Okay. I say for both prophet and priest are profane. Yea, in my house I have found their wickedness. Serve the Lord, says the Lord. Sign up a search.
Yeah, say we look around otie from the beginning now. Meka say Jacob Oshra ne mano ne ba livinu wan shira no. Oka kire se ono no atirimoden atinintamadam. Atirimoden atinintamadam. Enti uko Bible when you train Yankopon so time bia we odi foforo at the back. False prophets are there. False priests are there. When you read the Bible, they are all there.
Okay, so Joe okay, also we need more. Okay. Don Buffa says please apart from Acts and Deuteronomy, do we have any verse for tithes?
Yeah. I'm say Genesis, I'm say me can be all.
Genesis okay.
And Hebrews Christianity any way Hebrews 7 and Paul echiremu Hebrews 7 and omuchiremu yentia Christianity mu New Testament unni tight into a church say we are not called out of the Levites, we are called out of Judah, the root of Judah, and Judah or your blessing, and when you are blessed you don't take, you only give, because blessing is the head. Into your blessing now wono tembiano utines so odwen sania wodibema enuntina. When you look at the other China and those countries in now, when we say land sometimes not that good, but they still believe say they were blessed, so they always think about how to give to Africa. How to give to Africa. China ni Ghana ni Africa ni also begin alone. Only Ghana ni we are. Sometimes Ubon said the white person will try to pay you better than the black, because they always think say they are the head. And when you are the head and you have been blessed, you always think about giving.
Okay, so Ama Afambia says so is tithe meant to be good? Is tithe meant to in goods or money? Okay, so I just say in goods. Tithe, giving tithes, no. Is it like for in goods or money?
Tithe no ni Nyankopon no odi ehirawo. Enti se wo no sikadwuma na wo ya. Sikadwuma na wo ya. Unim se sika na Awurade de ama. Afuom dwuma na nipa ne ya. No de na afuom dwuma na ekọ. Enwanchie na oyen ya. No de na ntwie na ekọ. Enti ade na Awurade agina so de ehirawo no. Eye sa ade na wo de ma out.
Okay. So Zivo Kwame says I was late. Okay, you just came. So you can go to YouTube. All this video is also on YouTube. The more journey and no more YouTube. So now there no better some share Mystic Coke teachings. Now there no YouTube. Facebook I'm for by YouTube. So comments or squad the all YouTube. You know. They be a no press teachings in here. Nti we load ya ko YouTube. Mo ko YouTube SBTV Africa. Na mo subscribe to your YouTube channel. And I am like a page. You know so Instagram, Twitter, baby SBTV Africa. Mo follow ye na ye de nyama papa bremo. Sa nti mo subscribe to your YouTube channel. We have more stuff, more interview. Mr. Cook, you better as I say, on sa ebe kan wa say, nyame ya aduma Monday, yen sa be kan Mr. Cook wa no dey teaches be and so abreye okay. So I say my guy, I agree with you, but sometimes you go up the way. I only know cuz I don't know. Don't move, I'll say thank you. So, you better Mr. Cook say, Mr. Cook, yeah that's the pass on sa be kan wa anti nyame aduma Monday bibi wo ha ye bebre muti ye da mo nyina asesa mo hwe na mo spread message no na mo bibi wo ho a bibi ha wa na se bibi koso wo potem na so pese discuss bibi a o de WhatsApp e was 0240 677 898 0240 677 898 SVTV Africa number into se bibi koso wo important na bibi na pese discuss ya na say issue bi obi o problem ni na o pese ye discuss ya na bibi sa pese promote bibi na anything na just contact SVTV Africa na ye be make sure say ye be attend to ye ba na mas pa say de bia no support brand no aha na ye ni mo be si ya kramo